Hi there, I'm Jessica Wade from YWAIT Agency. We help small businesses automate, scale, and grow smarter, not harder. Today, I want to show you something really exciting, how you can turn your brand into a revenue generating, community building marketing machine with your very own automated swag store. Because let's face it, people love to rep their favorite local businesses. They'll probably wear your logo on a shirt, a hat, or a tote bag. But most business owners never launch a merch line because, well, it's a headache. You've got to find suppliers, buy inventory up front, manage stock, and handle shipping and tracking every order. It's expensive, it's risky, and it eats up your time. So most people give up before they even get started. But what if it was all automated? With YWait Agency, we build a fully automated swag store that does everything for you, from printing, shipping, to tracking your orders and payments without you ever touching a box. No inventory, no packing, no hassle. Just profit, exposure, and loyalty fans turning into walking billboards for your brand. Here's how it works. We connect your YWait marketing system with Printful, a print-on-demand partner that handles everything from printing to packaging to delivery. When someone places an order, the system automatically prints it, ships it directly to the customer, and sends the order confirmation and receipt, and even notifies you as the business owner without you ever lifting a finger. It's fully automated inside your CRM, powered by YWait, the same system we use to run funnels, automations, and customer communication. Here's the best part. Your swag store isn't just a new stream of income. Not only do you make passive income, but your swag store also becomes a marketing machine. Every shirt, every hat, every tumbler somebody buys turns them into that walking billboard for your brand. And every time someone wears your merch, they are spreading your brand organically all over town. And your automation makes sure that you don't have to lift a finger. Your swag store runs 24/7, automatically managing every sale, shipment, and email confirmation. You'll even be able to track your orders, send email marketing, grow your customer list, all from the one system. So whether you're a small business owner, a local brand, or even an influencer, it's easiest way to create an online merch line that works for you. And if you're already a YWait Agency client, your setup includes a kickoff call with our team. We'll walk you through everything live on Zoom, help you get the store connected, make sure that your system's ready to launch, quick, fast, and easy. If you're not already a YWait client, there'll be a link below this video that you can set up a meeting and we can help you come aboard and get your swag store launched live for you as well in your own kickoff call. If you ever get stuck, you'll have full access to our 24/7 support team and resources to help you every step of the way. So all you have to do is be ready to turn your brand into a movement. Let's build that automated swag score today. Start turning your customers into the biggest marketers you'll ever have on your side. I'm going to guide you through a playbook where you'll mostly be hearing my voice, seeing my face, and we'll click through YWait Agency to learn how you set up your swag store. And you are now ready to get started and move on to the next module.